I am Muhammad KHALED ZUBAIR Shard. Truly I made this video for all. Facebook, Twitter share. Cookout season is just around the corner and everyone is anxiously awaiting the smoky aroma that wafts throughout the neighborhood when families fire up their barbecue grills. Hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks and chicken, we all enjoy the traditional favorites of grilling, but how about spicing up your barbecue lineup with some fun and delicious kebabs? Nothing is more convenient or festive than kebabs. You can select from chunks of marinated beef or chicken with some yummy fresh veggies or fruit nicely seared over the coals. However you stick it, kebabs are a great choice for both family and entertaining. Here's a couple of delicious kebab recipes to try out this summer. Steak and veggie kebabs. Cup dry white wine. 1 clove garlic, crushed tsp salt, sea vegetable oil or olive oil, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, tsp dried whole oregano, tsp dried whole thyme, 2 pounds boneless sirloin steak cut into 1-inch pieces, pound fresh mushroom caps, 2 large green peppers cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 pint cherry tomatoes, 4 small yellow squash cut into 1-inch thick pieces. Combine the first 9 ingredients. Add meat, cover and marinate at least 2 hours in the refrigerator, turning meat occasionally. Remove meat from marinade, reserving marinade. Alternate meat and veggies on skewers. Grill over medium coals 10 to 15 minutes or until desired degree of doneness, basting with marinade. Serves 5. Marinated lamb kebabs. 2 pounds boneless lamb, 1 onion, diced 1/3 c, diced green pepper 1/2 c, dry red wine 1/4 c, olive oil ½ teaspoon, pepper 1/4 teaspoon, sage 1/8 teaspoon, dry mustard 1/8 teaspoon, dried whole oregano. Remove felt, the tissue-like covering, from lamb, if necessary. Cut meat into 1-inch cubes and set aside. Combine the remaining 8 ingredients in a 13 by 9-inch baking dish. Add lamb, cover and marinate overnight in refrigerator. Remove meat from marinade, reserve liquid. Cook marinade in small saucepan until heated. Place meat on skewers. Grill about 6 inches from medium coals for 15 minutes or until done, turning and basting often with marinade. Serve 6.